and just listen to this. Many years ago, I sold my Harley Sportster and I've regretted it ever since. I've had this Honda Shadow for the last 12 months or so, and it's just not the same. So today we're going to change that. We're going Harley shopping. Let's get to it. Now this is a good example. This is a Sportster 1200. I've got the pipes on there and the backrest and the dual seat handlebars. This one looks really cool. Only problem is, it's got it up for $13,000, which I just cannot afford. So I know what I'm looking for, but this one ain't it, unfortunately. So this is what I'm talking about. This is called the Nightster. It's like a stripped down, blacked out 1200 Sportster. So this is, he's got it for a really good price. Says it doesn't need much work, but for the price he's got it up at, I am a little bit skeptical. But we're gonna go have a look at this one today because she looks brilliant. So let's get it. We're about halfway there now and I'm starting to get very excited to get back and have a look at another one of these. I'm really excited on that. Now I'd really love to keep both the Honda and the Harley, but as some of you out there probably realize, it starts to add up pretty quickly.
How many regos you got now?
How many regos? I don't know, 6 or 7? I don't know, it's getting out of hand really. So yeah, so the Honda's gonna have to go, but the Harley will hopefully take its place. And if it's not this one, I'm sure we'll find one that'll just fit nicely.
A few moments later.
So here she is. I did my checks, bit the bullet, and I bought it. Now before I take you for a full walk around of this bike, I'm gonna take you for a ride and show you what I love about this thing so much. Now listen to this. There's just something about these bikes that are different to any other bike, obviously. And you either get it or you don't. And I'm one of the people that definitely get it. I don't know if it's the way that it vibrates or the way that it sounds or the way that it feels. Ultimately it's all of it, to be honest. But you know, this is such a cool machine and I absolutely love it. And just listen to this. Yes, I hope I never get sick of that, because that is what riding is all about for me. Yes, sir. So I got her home. Here she is. It's a 2008 Harley Davidson 1200 Sportster Nightster. The Nightster is this blacked out, stripped down bobber style version, and this one is so good. Now the one that I used to have was an Iron 883, so similar frame, similar chassis, but this one has a much bigger engine, and with the pipes, the air cleaner, and the tune that it's had, it pulls hard. So much fun. It makes me giggle over and over again. Now, in all honesty, this bike is rough. I picked it up for about $6,000, which is way cheaper than most of them out there, but it needs a fair bit of work. It needs a lot of work, really. There's rust, there's peeling paint, there's things that are falling off, things that we need to repair. So if you want to see the journey and see me bring this girl back to her former glory, click subscribe and the bell icon, and you'll get notified every time I do something for this one and the other cars that I've got in the channel as well. So I look forward to seeing you there.